the APBD Research Foundation wanted to know more about who was affected with APBD and be able to contact them in the event of relevant research when research projects came up. So they wanted to create a registry. Now, typically a disease registry is just a list of patients with a particular disease or clinical profile. And they're going to have that. They're going to collect people's names and addresses and that sort of thing for people who agree to provide those things. But they're also going to collect detailed clinical information. They're going to ask patients with APBD to go to their doctors and have their doctors fill out a form, a fairly detailed form, with clinical information and information about the progress of their disease. And that will be submitted to a database, and that database will be the registry. So in addition to being a list of patients and information on how to contact them if research comes up, it's also a sort of a natural history study. People will enter information about the disease, about how their disease is. We're going to ask them to come back every year or so and say how they're doing. And over time, we'll have a sort of a basic research study on anyone who says they have APBD.